sudden day trip to Shenzhen. That's a pretty cool form of advertising. Security checks? And a bunch of things you can't do, of course. Checking out a local shopping mall. How. Cool thing is in the waiting area, you can help yourself to treats. Jerky, candies, a little crisp, board games while you wait. Help yourself to some bevies. So the kebabs in China, like one thing, there's like a lot. Each portion have like a bunch of kebabs. The wall already tells you that things are spicy AF. Grilled lobsters, Catmom, and some sort of shrimp. This is for charging your phone. So you use your WeChat Pay, I think, scan it, and then out comes a charging battery thing that you can use to charge your phone. Wow, I thought Japan was bad when it came to information overload, but geez, China's got it pretty up there. Wow. Shocker. Oh, damn. Everything looks so spicy. One of my favorite stuff, Yu. Is this the Asian version of the Christmas tree? Bam. The duck should smell lemon tea. This is really good garlic toast, and this plate is super hot. Don't touch it. Okay. Chinese style potato chips. So generally I don't eat lamb, but it's actually quite good. What's this robot doing here? It's like a sales machine? Oh, that robot was actually going around on behalf of the shop. Birthday cakes. I wish they had this when I was a kid. I was addicted to video games. Oh, wait, speaking of addiction, there's my sister. Yeah, addicted to clamping these toys. Ooh, I am so confused. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this police PSA. Don't fight. If you lose, you'll be hospitalized. If you win, you will go to jail. At the bottom it says, the cost to fighting is high, so think again before you fight. I love the capitalistic approach. Oh my gosh, I think we should all take note. And it even tells you what the penalty is, I think from 500 to 1,000 Chinese yuan. And it gives you this breakdown of the pricing and the days that you could be detained for, along with other penalties. This is for washing the streets. Pretty cool. Lost in translation there. It actually meant beef noodles, not beef powder. My favorite person in the whole wide world, whom people thought I was his mistress when I was in China. These people on the motorcycle can help you move your stuff. The massages are quite cheap. Wow, this is like a local neighborhood. I'm kind of hoping that I'd find cats, but no signs of stray cats. Where are they? Aha! I found a cat. Uh-oh. Not sure if it's had the experience. Doesn't seem like it. It's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Are we friends now? Are we friends now?
Are we friends now?
I think so, yeah. Oh heck yes.
Friends now?
Even if it's just briefly, yes. That's one satisfied cat. Ah. Alright, that's it. Laters. Please join our Patreon. It means a lot to small creators like us, and it can keep our channel alive. Thanks, meow.
Can you believe this? This is a massage place. Holy shit.
Stuff in our face before we go back. Alright, that's it for the half-day trip in China, Shenzhen particularly. So that was that. You guys enjoyed it too? Seems like my sister's happy with all the dolls that she got. Wow, I feel bad for the cops. This is a tough job.
Alright, back to Hong Kong I go.